Welcome to Excellent Care First, your go-to destination for expert tips and insights on self-care and home treatments. In today's episode, we'll be delving into the world of home treatments for verruca, warts. So, if you're looking for practical advice on taking care of these pesky skin issues from the comfort of your home, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest self-care content. Let's get started. 1. Cleanliness and hygiene. Keep the affected area clean and dry. Wash your hands thoroughly after touching the verruca to prevent the spread of the virus. 2. Over-the-counter treatments. Use over-the-counter wart treatments like salicylic acid-based solutions. Follow the instructions on the product carefully. 3. Footwear and socks. Wear clean, dry socks and change them daily. Choose comfortable, breathable shoes that reduce friction and pressure on the verruca. Avoid sharing shoes with others to prevent the spread of the virus. 3. Avoid self-removal. Refrain from picking, cutting, or trying to remove the verruca yourself, as this can lead to complications or spread the virus to other areas. Walking barefoot in swimming pool areas, you can also contact infection. 4. Immune system support. Maintain a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet, regular exercise and adequate sleep to help your immune system fight the virus. 5. Consult a podiatrist. If the verruca persists or causes discomfort, consult a podiatrist for professional assessment and treatment options. Always consult Excellent Care first for a proper diagnosis and personalized treatment plan, as verrucas can vary in size and severity.
Contact us today. Email address info@excellentcare1sd.co.uk. Telephone number 0740 423 8459. Website www.excellentcare1sd.co.uk.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you the next video.